Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most legendary tractors in Indian farming history, the Mahindra B-275. This tractor has been a symbol of strength, reliability, and performance for decades. Even after so many years, it still holds a special place in the hearts of farmers. The Mahindra B-275 is powered by a 4-cylinder engine that produces around 39 HP. It was built for rugged use and was perfect for all types of farming work, from plowing and harvesting to transportation and pulling loads. What made the B-275 stand out was its simplicity and strong build. It could handle rough terrains and long working hours without breaking down. This tractor became very popular in rural India because of its low maintenance needs and easy-to-repair structure. Spare parts were widely available, and even local mechanics could fix it easily. That's one of the reasons why many farmers still prefer using the B-275 today. The design is old school and practical, with a classic Mahindra red color and strong metal body. The engine sound is loud and powerful, something that instantly reminds people of hard-working days in the field. Over the years, the B-275 earned a reputation not just as a machine, but as a part of the family for many farmers. It played a big role in helping them grow their land, increase productivity, and improve their lives. If you spot a B-275 still running today, it's a sign of how well it was made. A true legend that refuses to fade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tractor stories and reviews. See you in the next video.